Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can put your consumer protection notice and also your IABS in your Instagram and Facebook social media profiles. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you and we will get started. The first thing to note, there is an updated consumer protection notice that is going to be mandatory as of April 1st, 2022. It's currently the very end of March when I'm doing this video. So this is the different places that we can put that updated consumer protection notice. And I'm going to show you how to download it and put it on everything. There's going to be a few different ways I'm going to teach you to do this as well. And when you get in here, you will see the new form CN 1-4 is available. When you click it, it will open up where you can download the form right here. So here it is. And then you can just download up here to your computer. So now we have it on the computer. The next step will be to upload it to your Google Drive. Whether you're with Keller Williams or a different brokerage, all you're going to do is log into a Gmail account. And once you're in your Gmail account, we click these dots to the left of your profile picture at the top right. And that pulls up the Google Apps. Then click on Drive. And now you're going to upload that consumer protection notice to your Google Drive. When we click New, we're going to do File Upload. And then you are going to attach that consumer protection notice that we just downloaded, which is right here. Now that it's in here, you'll see down here, it's uploaded complete. So if you click on it, it'll open up the consumer protection notice in your Google Drive. So now that it's in here, we need to get the link to be able to share it. If you click on the three dots at the top right, more actions right here, you can click share. Now, depending if you're with Keller Williams or if you're with a different Gmail account here, if you're with KW, you'll have to click restricted and change this to anyone with the link. So now it's a public link. Anyone that clicks this link will be able to view this document. So we just need to copy that link right here. Now we have the link that we're going to use to paste onto our different social media profiles. For Facebook, when you're on your Facebook realtor profile, whichever page that you manage your real estate post from, if you go to create post, for this post, I just do information about brokerage services. And then consumer protection notice. Now remember, we already copied the link for consumer protection notice, so I'm pasting it right there, which automatically brings up a little window at the bottom where it can view a little bit of that document. So for our information about brokerage services link, all we have to do is right below the words, go to find your link for your IABS, which I have mine in my signature, which you should too. So when we click on it, we can open that link. And this is the link that we're going to use for our IABS. So I'm just going to paste it. Now you will notice that it automatically changes this to the IABS, which that's fine. So you have both the IABS here and your consumer protection notice. The links are there. It does give you the preview window of the IABS. So now I'm going to post it. So now that it's posted, we need to make sure that it's pinned to the top of the page. So all you have to do is click the little three dots next to your name and click pin to top of page. Now, when people come to your realtor page, they're going to see that at the very top of your page at all times. Now, when you are updating it on your Instagram, you can do this either on the phone or on your computer. What I did is I actually created a link pop, and this is completely free. It's really cool, actually. When you go to linkpop.com, you can sign up and it's free. And then you just fill out the prompts. It's going to ask you, what do you want this page to be called? When you do that, let me show you what mine looks like. This is the name of my my link up here, which is linkpop.com/Christina Kingery Realtor. And then my profile name is also Christina Kingery, Realtor. Then you can upload different links and even put little thumbnail images and determine what order your links are going to display here. And then you can even link all your social media profiles. So this is a really cool little tool for you. And if you use this, you can go in there and add a link, just title it Consumer Protection Notice, and then paste the link right here. You can attach the image if you want to. And then at the bottom, you'll just click publish. So I've already done that for both my IABS and my Consumer Protection Notice. I've also want to show you that you can drag these in order. You just click those little dots to the left of the title. So I put Consumer Protection Notice at the top. On Instagram, once you have your link pop page, then you will copy that link pop link, which you can go up here and copy link. And when you go to your page on Instagram, you're going to go up to your name and go to settings. And then right here next to website is where you paste that linkpop.com link. Okay. And then go down to submit. So it'll save your changes. And once you've done that, it's going to look like this. So now when they click on this link, they can go to my link pop page. They have all the clickable links to go straight to all of my social media profiles. Then my consumer protection notice is right here, my information about brokerage services. And then I even put a link to my personal website so they can click here to start their home search on my website. So if you currently have on your settings right here, your personal website, just add your personal website in here, like I did, your website, what it's called, and search for homes here, and then paste your link for your website. Just make sure that it is below your consumer protection and your IABS in the order, which remember, you just drag it right here. Okay. And then once it's all in there, just click publish and it's good to go. On an Instagram profile, you can post a story with an image of the notice labeled properly. You can then highlight that story on your profile, effectively pinning it in a readily noticeable location on your profile. So that's the other option. I prefer to use this method though with the link pop because it will let them go to all of your different links, social media profiles, etc., including your website. So if you need any help at all, let me know. Once again, this website was linkpop.com, and I think it's excellent. And if you need any help, just let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful technology real estate tips. Have a great day.